Right, this is class 9 sound and video 7th. Ear trumpet. What is ear trumpet or hearing aid? When people ears are not working properly, they are using one machine here. Hearing aid, one machine they will use. That is called ear trumpet or hearing aid. What is the use? It is a device which is used by the persons who are hard of hearing, who feel hard of hearing, who not able to hear, who not able to listen, whose ears have the problem, that people can use this. And it is in trumpet shape. That's why ear trumpet we will tell. Trumpet shape mean like in marriages they will give one sound, pipi, pupu sound or something. Trumpet shape mean outside will be like blowing, inside will be short. Inside short and outside will be blowing. Right? Next, sounding board. What is sounding board? Sounding board we can look in sounding board means simple sounds producing board only, but shapes of buildings, shapes of cinema theaters, shapes of speaking halls you can look. Lok Sabha, Parliament, in that they designed that buildings in sounding board wise. So look here, sound waves obey the reflection laws. Already sound waves obey the reflection laws of light. So for spread sound in halls, in auditoriums, in cinema theaters, the speaker is fixed at principal focus. Speaker. Speaker is fixed. In marriages, DJ we will use. Na? So like that only. Speaker is fixed at a principal focus of the concave reflector. Concave reflector, one mirror type. I mean concave mirror, not concave reflector mean that the body of speaker, that body of that mic will be in the form of concave. Right? This concave reflector is nothing but sounding board. Simple. This concave reflector only sounding board. Concave reflector shape. If you want to see, go any marriages and look inner side. That is like concave shape. You can look it. So sound waves striking on board, that mic board, sound waves striking on board get reflected parallel to the principal axis. They will sounding and they will get reflected parallel to the principal axis. Remember, if you want, once Google it, you will get easily. Images are there. Stethoscope. Stethoscope already you know all members. Doctors are using normally. Why? Because to listen bodies within sound, bodies inside sounds, lungs, heart, whatever may. So patients bodies inside sounds listening purpose. Which sound they will listen? They will listen diaphragms sound perfectly. Diaphragms sound of lung. Look here, I written used for listening to sounds produced within the body, like heart, lungs. Patient's diaphragm, patient's diaphragm sounds mainly sensitive sound. That is, diaphragm sound is sensitive sound. Can listenable. Now echo. What is echo? Echo have two. Look here, echo. The phenomenon due to which a repetition of sound, which a repetition, please keep it in your mind, repetition of sound is heard after reflection from a distant object. What is the distant object? That also we will look down. So high buildings, hillock, after the original sound form a given source dies off. After original sounds, which source given sound, that sound will dies, that sound will complete, but next sound will come reflected sound. When you are going near the forest, once give a sound, ah, ooh, ow, etc. Any sounds, when you are giving, that sound will be repeatable. That is called echo sounds, right? So called an echo. It has been found that sensation of any sound persists. Persist mean represent. Represent. Persist for 1 by 10th second in our ear after the existing sounds dies off. In 1 by 10th second mean in 1 second, when you are making 10 parts na, in that 1 by 10th part only the sound comes and it will dies off. Sound come and it will dies off compulsory. If it will not die 1 by 10th part, sir, 1 by 9th part, it will not work. Echo will not work. Resound will not come. If less time, resound not come. If more time, resound may come. Resound come after more sound. But in within 1 by 10th second, resound will not come. Look here. Call. This time is called persistence of audibility. Persistence of audibility mean original sound should be within 1 by 10th second. We need to listen. That sound is called persistence of audibility. Relation between speed of sound, time of hearing, echo, please keep 2, and distance from reflecting body. 3 points are there. Distance, speed of sound, time of hearing. So what is the relation between of them? Look here. For example, here this is red pen na? So this is original sound. This is blue ink na? This is reflected sound. Original sound with red ink, reflected sound with blue ink. This is wall. Original sound waves going, reflected sound waves coming. So person is here, for example, person is here. So this is echo sound, this is original sound. So this is called persistence also, if you want to call persistent sound. Total distance how much? This is x distance, this is x distance, x 2x. Okay, total distance is 2x. Time is equal to 0 by 10. 1 by 10th means 0.1. You can write this easily. 0.1 or 1 by 10th second. Velocity. What is the velocity? Velocity formula purpose we can use here. Look here. Speed s is equal to total distance by time. So here speed now take as velocity. Speed, distance. Okay, speed take as velocity. V is equal to distance 2x by time t. So here what I am telling you, what is the distance you don't know. So distance x is equal to v into t by 2 once you send that side. This formula only I written like this. Next, what is there? Sound velocity value, you know. Sound velocity value is 340 meter per second. Sound velocity. Sound velocity there, time there. Now put the values. Then you will get the distance. So sound velocity 340, 0.1 by 2 is equal to 17 meter. So here what I am telling you, minimum distance for echo sound, 17 meters should needed. If 17 meter inside echo sound, you will not get. Time interval must be 0.1 second compulsory. Approximately needed 0.1 second. Not then you can't listen. So here intensity of sound waves, sound should be sufficient. Intensity of sound should be sufficient. Mean sound, more sound, less sound I am not talking. Intensity of sound mean compulsory a maximum sound needed for listen echo. Remember this is.